Usborne First Reading Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who dropped down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. "Help!" cried Miss Muffet. She ran from her tuffet and into the woods down below. "Come back!" called the spider. He rushed off to find her. "I'm sorry for scaring you so." The little girl sighed. "What a bad place to hide! Now I'm lost. I'll be stuck here all night." Then she heard a deep growl and an ear-splitting howl. "Oh!" They gave poor Miss Muffet a fright. A big wolf jumped out. He said with a shout, "It's time for my dinner, my dear. I'll have little girl fun." "Put her down," came a cry. "Don't worry, Seb Spider is here." The wolf gave a smile. "I do like your style, but what can you do against me?" "I'll show you," said Seb. He spun a strong web and tied the bad wolf to a tree. Miss Muffet said, "Seb, what a wonderful web! Now let's go." So Seb showed her the way. Now she's friends with Seb Spider. He hangs down beside her and spins for Miss Muffet all day. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.